DJT is trending up 34.29%. This is Thursday, the 18th of December, 2025. Intraday high in this session, $14.7. It has cooled off from those highs. Let's see whether we can get the volume. So the stock is currently showing a decent amount of strength within a longer term bullish bearish trend. It's the day moving average is sloping bearishly lower. Okay. Let's see now. Volume in this session, way. I think this has to be way above average volume. 68 million shares. I think so. Yeah. More than 10x. More than 10x. Volatility is also expected to moderate in the coming days. Yeah, let's see whether we can get the sentiment. Yeah.
Trump Media and Technology Group, DJT, is trending hard after announcing a definitive all stock merger with fusion energy company TAE Technologies, a deal reportedly valuing the combined entity at north of $6 billion. The move marks a dramatic strategic pivot for DJT from a politically driven media platform into the clean energy and AI infrastructure narrative, specifically positioning fusion power as a long term solution for energy hungry AI data centers. The announcement has lit up trading communities and social media. Bullish traders are framing the deal as a once in a generation re rating opportunity. Fusion energy plus AI plus a heavily shorted stock with a cult like retail following is, in their view, a perfect recipe for a violent short squeeze. Many argue that simply attaching DJT's ticker to fusion, one of the most hyped future of energy themes, could attract fresh speculative capital, regardless of near term fundamentals. On the other side, skeptics remain loud and unconvinced. Critics point out that commercial fusion has been 5 to 10 years away for decades, questioning whether TAE's technology can realistically generate revenue anytime soon. Others see the merger as narrative engineering rather than value creation, labeling it another speculative pump, branding exercise, or outright grift designed to capitalize on retail enthusiasm and political polarization rather than operational progress. As a result, sentiment around DJT has become sharply binary. Bulls are betting on momentum, bees being trapped, and the power of headline driven capital flows. Bears are focused on dilution risk, execution uncertainty, and the long history of fusion promises failing to translate into shareholder returns. With volatility spiking and positioning polarized, DJT is increasingly being treated less like a traditional equity and more like a high stakes sentiment trade, where price action may be driven as much by ideology and narrative as by balance sheets and timelines.
Okay, so that was the sentiment. Okay. The extrapolation we have here is saying that it may maintain this trajectory up till Monday the 22nd. Then after that, the angle of attack will deviate and may still remain bullish, or may still slant bullish, or or going to an accumulative contraction up till at least the 29th of December. Then after that, it's a contraction back to where it's coming from right now. Okay. Projections are saying nothing to the upside as of now, 10.63, but indeed it has previous upper projections as high as 28.75, 33.17, 35.91. We saw an intraday high of 14.9 today. As of the 9th of October, we had 17.83, 18.74. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's see now. On the four. Okay, yeah, the extrapolation is saying that maybe, yeah, from the 30th, we might begin to see a contraction. And the algo seems to be suggesting that momentum may remain in place up till the 2nd of January. Yeah, it may remain elevated. Yeah, no weakness is in sight from the before the 2nd of December. What are the odds that that will be the case? Coming down to its 4-hour chart, let's see what we have. Here, the extrapolation is saying that yeah, we might have a brief contraction going in towards the month, going towards this the 22nd of December. That's Monday, and then after that, the uptrend may resume. Okay, the 40-day moving average is spread to keep rising to catch any pullback, but momentum here is indicating that it may begin to weaken and may collapse totally from may collapse totally at least by Monday the 22nd. Okay, and it's not expected to pick up, but it does not mean it's not going to pick up. Momentum can be weak, but you may still see higher prices, extending or going on to print. Yeah, what we can do is just quickly have a look at its market grid to see the sort of projections we have there. Yeah, let's see. Before now, they had this. Let's pick this one up. This is 7th of November. Okay, 7th of November. We had 16.78. Okay, let's get a market grid. Okay, yeah, market grid has up to 16.28. Yeah, 16.28. So it has the potential to get up to 16.28. It printed 14.9 today. So currently at 14.07. It has now it's now neutral right now between the resistance and the supports. The trajectory is okay. It's just neutral. Well, okay. There's the odds. There's the odds of it printing 13.56. But who knows? After, if this turns out to be the case, you never know. It could still return to test 14.6 and maybe even go on to test 16.28. We'll see how all of these will pan out. Okay, so yeah, it's currently trending. Some people obviously, as you heard from that readout, are thinking, some skeptics are calling it a hype. We haven't seen any short interest is not that massive. It doesn't really matter. Yeah, it's not everything. It's still important. It's Yeah, if the short interest is very high, it will definitely attract um, eyeballs, if you like, people watching it, and people getting interested in it. But it doesn't have it. But it does not mean it has some short interest, but not fantastic. Yeah, it has some short interest, but not that fantastic. Yeah, yeah. But we'll see. We'll see. I mean, caution is surely warranted. This is not the time to get in. Surely, it's not the time to get in. You have to wait for it to pull back. Yeah, wait for it to pull back. We're looking at let's see now. Yeah, wait for it to pull back. I would say everything is elevated right now. You can see this is the extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is actually saying 13.75. The 40-day moving average is 40 period moving average is saying 11.185. I think that looks like not that bad as such. Yeah, a pullback towards such levels might be good. Yeah, but surely not today. Not today. Not Don't buy today. Don't buy today. Wait for a pullback to happen. Yeah. If not, forget about it. There might be an opportunity to get involved. When the dust must have settled. Okay, so see what you make of DJT, and thank you very much for watching this video.